How to play 1v1 in Warzone with friends. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. Firstly, go ahead and launch your Warzone in your device. So if you are using a console, at the very bottom you should find the option of private match. So if the private match option is not given at the bottom, you can just tap on the play icon. Then you'll be provided with list of game modes. From here, you have to navigate to the option of solo. So go ahead and find the option of solo. In the modes of your gameplay, you will see the option of solos, duos, trios, quads, and battle royale. When you try to select your squad size that ranges from 1 to 4, you can easily invite or add your friend to join your squad. However, the thing about the private match for your Warzone is that when you tap on the play button, it will just not start. This is because to start your private match in your Warzone, you will need at least of 50 players. Once you have teamed up with all of your 50 players, you will be able to enjoy your private match. However, currently Warzone does not provide 1v1 match. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.